Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your profile on the Snap. So let's get started. How you can edit the avatar. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Snap. So I'm going to click on that, and now simply we have to go to the chat section. And as you can see now, simply you will be able to see your profile here. So now what we have to do, we have to click on the profile, and now you will be able to see the your profile here. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, this option is provided here. If you want to choose the background, you can also do that. If you want to change your poses, you can also do that. Like as you can see now, these poses are provided here. I'm going to make it in the bigger screen. So you have to choose the poses, that which pose you want. For example, you have to choose, for example, I'm going to choose the different one. Let's choose this. As you can see now, we have to go to the background section. If you want to change the background, you can also do that. These all backgrounds are provided here. I'm going to click on this save option. So let's click on the save, and this pose and the background will be saved. So if you want to change or if you want to customize it, you can also do that. You have to click on this icon, and now if you want to customize the shoes, dressing, whatever you want, you can edit in each and everything. So in this way you can customize your avatar. In this way you can edit your profile on the Snapchat. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.